Welcome to Niagara Falls, a natural wonder that attracts millions of visitors every year. Today, we're taking a closer look at the falls during the winter season, when the icy temperatures transform this iconic destination into a frozen wonderland. First up, let's take a look at the Niagara Scow, a famous barge that has been stranded above the falls for over a century. The scow has become a popular tourist attraction, and during the winter season, it looks even more dramatic, as it's surrounded by snow and ice. The scow was a dredging barge used in the early 20th century, and it became stranded in the Niagara River in 1918. The crew narrowly escaped, and the scow has remained in the same position ever since. During the winter months, the Niagara River freezes over, and the ice can get incredibly thick. In 2019, a huge ice jam formed near the scow, causing concern among locals and tourists alike. But the ice can also create stunning views as the frozen water cascades over the edge of the falls, creating a sparkling, icy wonderland. The falls themselves are a breathtaking sight, no matter the season. During the winter months, the mist from the falls creates a beautiful white curtain, which, combined with the snow, creates a serene and peaceful atmosphere. Despite the cold temperatures, visitors from all over the world still flock to Niagara Falls during the winter season. They come to witness the beauty and power of nature and to experience the unique charm of this frozen wonderland. And when the sun goes down, the falls are illuminated by colorful lights, creating a stunning spectacle that can be seen from miles away. Thank you for joining us on this winter journey to Niagara Falls. We hope you've enjoyed this glimpse into one of the world's most incredible natural wonders, and we invite you to come and experience it for yourself.